What's going on, fellas? Fight on 5-2. Got a 2-package mail day. Got one from Toohod. This is prize winning from his contest, which is so awesome of you to well, first of all, to have made the contest, which was really fun to do, by the way. But just awesome cards that people got. So excited about this. And then an out of the blue, out of the country hookup with the Jets logos. This is from, I don't know if you guys can see that, DJP. The number is DJP 22031970. His link will be below. He's from England, and I believe his name is David. Hopefully I'm not wrong on that. But just out of the blue, had no idea this was coming, and I didn't even know you had my address. So I'm really excited to see what this is. Really thick package with Jets logos. I'll be cutting these out for my YouTube PC for sure, and especially the Royal Mail stuff. So really cool. So I'm excited to get into that. But first I'm going to get into the stuff from Toohod. Cut into this. Shing! I actually, I think I won 2 prizes, like 2 of the prizes, in Toohod's. So awesome. Alright. So we've got a stack of base. We got a Santonio Holmes refractor from Chrome. It's a sepia to 99. Santonio Holmes sepia. Jets. What up, David? Then I got a blue. This is really nice. A blue refractor rookie of Brandon Whedon. Next, Beanie Wells, pink refractor at a $3.99. A Victor Cruz, pink refractor, breast cancer awareness. Then a black refractor, Vincent Jackson. And a camo refractor of Tavon Wilson at a $4.99, and a really nice prism to 216 of Andy Dalton. So just those alone, just this stack of refractors would be cool enough. Then I got some hits. I'm going to save this one for last. First, I got a Kendall Wright jersey from Triple Threads, number 23 of 99. Then an Alshon Jeffrey Onyx jersey from Panini Black at a $2.99. Also nice card. Then a rookie autograph from Momentum of Stephon Gilmore at a $6.99. And the last card for my Vikings collection, rookie autograph from Black, numbered out of 199, Rhett Ellison. So that's pretty sweet. cool Vikings hookup there. So, man, thank you so much, Toohod, for those. Guys, links will be below to these fellas. But thank you so much again for the contest. Some great responses, and I just had a blast. And it was all to promote two of my favorite YouTubers, Dominus Infinitus and Tommy Golf 85. So had to jump in that. Love those guys, and really appreciate it, Toohod. That's just insanely generous. All right, here we go. JETS J. Man, I botched that. I messed up on your freaking chant. JETS, Jets. Let's get into this. All the way from England. What the? Oh, no way. We got some coinage. Some Panini Black. Dang, this is just awesome. Freaking sick. Ooh, we got a magnetic. What? Alright. Alright. This is going to get insane, fellas. Here we go. I'll start off with this. British currency. 1p, 2p, 5p, 10p, 20p, 50p, and is that a £1 coin? So check this out. Man, it's so cool of you to send this for my foreign currency. Now, I don't know how to tell these apart. That's £1. There's the 50 pence. 10 pence. 20 pence. 5 pence. There's the 1 pence, and then 2 pence. So that is really cool to get some coinage. I need to get I know for like coin collections they have like little baggies that you can put these in. I'm gonna have to find some of those. I don't even know if there's a place around here that has that stuff, but I'm gonna have to find something like that. So man, just that alone is pretty sweet. Anyway, into the cards. We'll go with these for my Panini Black set. I mean, look at all these helping me out. Man, if I can get into this. I don't even know how these are in here. Gently shinging this. Man, I can't believe you sent me all this stuff. I'm gonna have to find some Jets. I want to say that you collect Cardinals too. I don't know. I might be wrong on that. I think he collects Jets and Cardinals. But anyway, I'll get into this. Rookie of James Hanna. Rookie of Luke Kuechly. That's a nice one. A Bruce Irvin rookie. Matt Khalil. Sick. That's a good one. Michael Brockers. What up, Jay? Courtney Upshaw. And Dre Kirkpatrick. All really nice right there. We got some more here. And then we got Sidney Rice. Victor Cruz. Larry Fitz. Pocket Hercules. And Greg Little. So awesome, man. Another big boost to my Panini Black set. I've just been plugging away. People been, I mean, this has basically been like YouTubers putting this together for me. It's just insane, the generosity that I've received lately on those sets. It's just nuts. Alright, so we have two cards. We have Vikings front, and we have Vikings last. And I'm just now seeing a note. It says, James, just a few cards for your set and PC. Best wishes from England, David. So, last, I can see the side of that one. Already makes me nervous. This one's in a magnetic. What did you do, my friend? I'm guessing it goes this way. Or, I don't know. What is that? Endorsements. Oh, no way. Oh, Christian Ponder. This is exquisite. Yeah, exquisite. Christian Ponder autograph. Numbered out of 75. Holy crap. That is really nice looking card. Really, really nice. Dang. On card auto. 8 of 75. Wow. Wow, man. I mean, I don't even know what to say. And I still got this freaking bad boy. And I can see the side, and I know that it's a booklet. What did you do? A triple threads booklet. That's the back. Alright, here we go. Goes this way. Oh, it doesn't say on the front. I'm going to keep this. Well, I'll just set it down so I don't see the name on the back. Alright. I'm just going to open it. What? Brett Favre. Oh my gosh. Brett Favre booklet relic, number 17 of 36. 23 games with 4 or more TD passes. Brett Favre triple threads booklet. And it's Favre in his Vikings uniform. David, I don't know if you know this, but like Brett Favre is probably like one of my most hated players of all time. From all the time he just kicked the crap out of us, and just the annoyance of everyone talking about Brett Favre. And this is like the only Brett Favre Vikings relic that I have. So that is cool to get something like this in his Vikings uni. That is just insane. That is a beautiful card. Hating Brett Favre or not, that is beautiful. Freaking along with this. I don't even know how this package made it through customs. You just freaking sent a bomb through the mail from England. Holy crap. Just attacked me. That'd be cool to get a screen, like the thumbnail shot of that. But holy crap, David. Thanks, man. Wow. I'm gonna have to find you some Jets. Yeah, without question. I'm gonna have to find you something. So I'm on the lookout, guys. If you guys have any Jets stuff, LMK, because I've got some work to do on this fella. So sick. YouTube PC. Links below, guys. David and Toohod, freaking just, man, sick. Sick mail day. What do I even say, man? Even sent me some currency. Dang. That was a good one. We're at 18 minutes. Sorry, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks again, guys. Links below. Go check them out. See ya.